How to recover disabled Facebook account. So you might be in the position where you try to log into your Facebook account, but it lands you on the interface where it says that your Facebook account has been disabled. It might be because you have done some activities that is against the community guidelines of the Facebook. But if it's not the case and your account has been disabled mistakenly, then what you can do is head over to any of the web browser. In the search bar, search for facebook.com. Right here at the bottom, tap on Help. It will land you on this interface. In the search bar, search for Recover Disabled Account. Head over to the first option. Scroll down and here it says, "Was this helpful?" Tap on No. And then tap on the first option. The information is confusing. Now in this section, you need to enter the problem that you have been facing on Facebook. If you don't know what to write, you can simply copy and paste the thing that I have just written. Once you are done, tap on Submit. Well, the report or the feedback has been successfully sent to the Facebook team. Now within an hour, Facebook will definitely come up with some solution for you and you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and I hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for staying with us till the end.